In this video, I will show you how to add a Snapchat filter to an existing photo. First things first, open up the Snapchat app on your device once you're in the app. Tap on this button at the bottom, left corner of your screen. Next, tap on the camera roll option located at the top of your screen. This will take you directly to all the photos saved on your device. Now scroll through and find the existing photo that you'd like to add a Snapchat filter to. Once you've found, tap on that photo with your photo selected. Look for the Add a Lens button located at the bottom left of your screen and give it a tap. You'll now see an array of filters available for use. Swipe through these options until you find one that catches your eye once you've found a filter that you love. Just tap once on it to apply it to your photo. The filter will instantly transform your image with effects or animations. Depending on what you chose after applying the filter, it's time to share. You can either add this photo directly to your story or send it as a snap to one of your friends. Choose whichever option suits you best, and there you have it. Adding Snapchat filters to existing photos is quick and easy.